What's going on? It's Liam here from the Toronto studio, and in this video we're going to talk about if Facebook ads work. If Facebook marketing still works in today's day and age, and if it's a viable tool to use as part of your business. Just to be clear, this isn't about how to set up a Facebook ad or how to set up a Facebook ad group. This is simply if Facebook ads are still working in 2022 and if they're still a good option for your business, okay? So let's get started. So the first thing to think about is all advertising is useful. All advertising is absolutely useful. The difference being is knowing when and where to put your advertising dollars. So if you're saying, well, I should jump immediately into Facebook ads, then the answer is no. Facebook ads are the last stop in a long line of advertising options that are viable to your business. So what do I mean by that? The first thing you should start doing is investing in organic SEO. So organic search engine optimization. So that means hiring someone to do SEO for your website. That should be your first stop. Your second stop should be then paid search. So PPC campaigns, pay-per-click ads for paid search. The next step after those two is then YouTube ads, right? Video ads. Then after you've set that up, then Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay? That should be your stop in that order. And why do I say that? Because organic SEO will pay for itself. Eventually you can stop having someone do that once you start getting enough natural website traffic. And paid search is because the intent to buy is higher. So when you're looking at these types of advertising, you always want to see what's the customer's intent to buy. Are they already a really warm lead? Are they already interested in buying my service and are just looking for the right person? Or are they a cold lead that I then need to turn into a warm lead to get to buy from my business? Okay? And so search, there's a higher, both organic and paid, there's a higher intent to buy. People are already interested in buying that. They're just trying to find someone to fill that need that they're comfortable working with and that demonstrates trust. Right? And that's why I say organic and paid search. The next one is YouTube is actually the second to third highest rank, and it jumps between the two, search engine out there. So people are looking for video options. Like I'm sure you came to this video searching, if Facebook ads work, and you just saw my video and you said, hey, this guy knows what's up. I want to trust him. So it's the exact same logic. People are searching for an answer, and they are coming to a video, which is a solution, which has your link or reason to buy, because the traffic there is higher and the intent is higher. Okay, so that's it. Then you go into social ads. Because social ads, they aren't warm leads. They're cold leads you need to now convert into a warm lead. Okay? It's jumbled. You don't know who is looking at your ad. Yes, you have market segments. Yes, you have who that, but you don't have a definitive of who they are. And the other thing, too, is the Facebook community is dying. Right? It's a dying platform. Mark Zuckerberg would have you believe otherwise, but it is a dying platform. And TikTok is the dominant social platform right now, then Instagram. Right? So those two platforms are still very viable. Here you're seeing a casual curiosity going into an intent to buy. Right? So to convert a lead is a lot more expensive. So my advice when you say, hey, is Facebook advertising still good for my business, is it's yes, but it's not your first stop. Your first stop is getting the organic SEO, then the paid search, then YouTube video ads, then Facebook and Instagram marketing. It should be your fourth, not final, but fourth stop in the marketing funnel. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of opportunity still on Facebook and Instagram ads. Absolutely. However, they are not the first option you should be taking. The first option you should be taking is organic. The second option you should be taking is paid search. The third option you should be taking is YouTube. And then the fourth option should be Facebook ads, because they work, they just take a longer time. And you want to get a return on your investment, or ROAS, return on ad spend, faster, right? And those three platforms are going to give you a faster ROAS, return on ad spend, than Facebook and Instagram marketing, right? And some people may debate that, but that's been my experience so far. Anyways, I'm Liam here from the Toronto studio. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did find this video useful and you like it, please subscribe. We really love the support and we need it to move forward. And leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. We'll do a custom video for your question. We're very big on helping people. That's what we want to do. Anyways, I'm Liam, and I'll check you all out in our next video.